can explain. Yes, I have a Jeep. It's a Wrangler and it's yellow. This thing was it was a daily for whenever I was doing fire sprinkler work, and I was working out in muddy construction sites. So it was the perfect vehicle for that. Minus the minivan engine with no power. Yeah, that part wasn't really cool, but it was cool for what it was needed for at the time. But the Jeep was good daily whenever it was needed to be daily. Don't really drive it too much anymore. And that's kind of the reason why I put oil in it. And I'm driving it to work tomorrow because I've got to go to Kansas City to get a vehicle inspection. I don't know if where you're from requires vehicle inspections, but in Missouri, we've got to get them. We've got to have them every year or every 2 years, depending on how much money you want to pay. Deer. Can't say I'm too surprised to see him out here. That's 2. That's 3. They're all tiny. Well, that last one wasn't really tiny, but I don't see any antlers yet. Dang, that looks like the end of the road. Damage check. I don't think there is any. I think we're all good. If anything, it would have been some little limb scratches. Yeah, this is the Jeep. I don't know what all we'll get into with the Jeep. You guys can tell me. But the reason why I'm driving it to Kansas City tomorrow to work is because it is September and the tags expired in May. So it's September 2024. Tags expired months ago. I didn't even realize it. I don't drive this too much. It's always fun to drive. Yep. Throwback. All right, I think that's all I got for this evening. I will see you guys in the morning. I'll take you to Kansas City with me. On the way to work, I'll show you around a little bit. It's 5 a.m. Tuesday morning. Excuse me, I'm just getting up. Heading to work. Still taking the Jeep. Got to get that inspection so I can get my license plate up to date. So what time is early to go to work? I usually get up around 4. Around 5 o'clock, I'm heading towards work. And I'm hustling about 5:30 a.m., all a.m. I've had jobs where I've had to show up at midnight and work 8 hours, weekends. But just wondering what time everyone else wakes up to go to work. I'm definitely not alone. For sure not alone. The roads aren't empty. Welcome to Kansas City. I know it's not very enticing right now because it looked like a autocross road course, and we almost need to be in the Jeep to make it through it all. But this is Kansas City, and we're almost to work. We're pulling up to work. I'm pulling up to work, so I will more than likely see y'all in about 8 hours. Later. Work day's over, finally. Man, 8 hours later. Just ready. It's still Tuesday, which is not good. That's too far away from the weekend, but I'll take it. So we're heading to get the Jeep inspected now. And hopefully this cart is there. There's a cart that I wanted to show you guys. I seen it just passing by the shop the other day. It's pretty cool. It's a Corvette, but the body's taken off, so it's just bars. It's just carted out. But I'll let you check it out when we get there. Hopefully it's there. Get a closer look here in a minute. You're gonna want to see this.
The flanger stuff?
Huh?
Is that not have two-step?
We can find out. Yeah, man, if you want to video me leaving out of here sideways, man, I'll try. C5 Corvette. This looks like fun. Awesome. No. And that's Kansas City. See ya.